A day that entirely changed my life. I couldn't believe that I was finally going abroad. I had so many mixed feelings. I was feeling sad, I was feeling happy, I was exhausted, I was scared, I was nervous. Leaving my family behind, my friends, leaving Zambia behind. This was my first time traveling, and I was doing it alone, without my parents, without my siblings. I'm sure my parents might have whispered to themselves, our girl has grown. I thank God for this journey because it wouldn't have been possible without him. So let me take you through how I traveled from Zambia to Johannesburg in South Africa, and from South Africa to Dubai, and from Dubai to Russia in St. Petersburg, from St. Petersburg to Petrozavodsk by train. So my first flight was at 19 from Zambia to South Africa. That was a 2 hours flight. When we finally landed in Johannesburg, we were rushing to catch the next flight because the first flight had delayed a bit. So I had no time to capture Johannesburg. We were running just so that we don't miss our flight to Dubai. About the food, I would rate it a 7 because it was my first time trying out airplane food, and I was tired. And we finally landed in Dubai. Okay, Dubai is a beautiful place. It is very beautiful. Luckily, I had chance to capture because we landed at 10 and our next flight was at 15, if I'm not mistaken. So I had some time to explore the place a bit, though I was very tired, very hungry, very exhausted, and feeling very demure. Finally got on our plane to Russia. This was okay, and we finally landed in Russia, St. Petersburg. Okay, St. Petersburg is a very beautiful city. Everything felt new. The weather, the place, the environment. And this was us in the train. At this moment, I had given up. I was very tired. And we finally landed in Petrozavodsk. We had the most warm welcome ever. I was so nervous. I was like, I didn't know what to say, and I was very shy. Thank God we had a safe trip and we landed safely.